Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to get mods on Lunar client. So first you just have to download and log into your Lunar client account. Now here you have to scroll down and tap at this puzzle icon right here. And then once done, all you have to do is just simply click this. After that, you have to look for your settings. Okay, scroll down and below selected version you will see here settings or the gear icon. Okay, and then after that, you just have to tap this and it will take you directly to this part where you need to open your folder and look for your mods. So to see that, you just have to go up and then tap this and you have to locate the folder right here. And then after that, tap the mods that you are looking for. Drag it right here, drag it above as possible. So you have to wait for a couple of minutes as it is processing. Now, once done, you can now go back here and enable that game. Once done, you can now tap play or launch your Lunar client here. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. And all you have to do is to log in your account and then tap single or multiplayer, and that's it. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.